Welcome to Holistic Wellness 24/7. In today's video, we explore the amazing benefits of the fruit soursop. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear roadmap to improve your well-being. So let's get started on your journey to better health and wellness. I'm super excited about today's video. We're exploring natural remedies and we're focusing on a fruit you might not know, soursop. I love using food as medicine, and soursop has some impressive health benefits. We're talking about fighting inflammation, boosting your immune system, and even some exciting research on its potential to fight cancer. In this video, we'll cover everything about soursop, where it comes from, what it can do, and even its potential side effects. What if I told you one fruit could reduce inflammation, fight bacteria, and maybe even fight cancer? You might think it's some rare fruit from the Amazon, but it's soursop, a tropical superfood that's getting really popular. This fruit, also known as Graviola, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But what makes it so special? Let's dive deeper into the world of soursop and uncover its secrets. Soursop is not just any fruit, it's packed with nutrients and compounds that have caught the attention of scientists and health enthusiasts alike. Its spiky green exterior hides a creamy custard-like flesh that tastes like a blend of pineapple and strawberry. But beyond its delicious flavor, soursop is believed to offer a range of health benefits. Now I know you're thinking, another miracle fruit? What's the trick? And you're right to be skeptical. There's so much information about health trends, it's hard to know what's true. That's why I'm excited to explore soursop with you. We'll separate fact from fiction, look at the science. What exactly is soursop? It's also called Graviola, and it's a prickly green fruit from tropical America. It's creamy like custard and tastes a bit like pineapple and strawberry mixed together. For a long time, people have used soursop as medicine for fevers, infections, stomach problems, and even cancer. Traditional healers have sworn by its effectiveness, and now modern science is starting to catch up. Researchers are investigating the potential of soursop to treat a variety of ailments, from minor infections to serious diseases. One of the most exciting areas of research is soursop's potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that compounds in soursop can target and kill cancer cells without harming healthy cells. This has led to a surge of interest in soursop as a natural cancer treatment. However, it's important to approach these claims with caution and look at the evidence critically. We'll also explore how soursop can be incorporated into your diet. From smoothies to teas, there are many delicious ways to enjoy this fruit. I will show you some of my favorite recipes and share how I feel after a week of eating soursop. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or just try something new, soursop might be worth a try. But remember, no single food is a magic bullet for health. It's important to maintain a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Soursop can be a great addition to your diet, but it should complement other healthy habits. So grab a healthy snack, maybe some soursop, and let's explore this potential superfood together. As we journey through the world of soursop, keep an open mind and be ready to learn. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there's always something new to discover. So let's get started and see if soursop truly is the key to a healthier you. We know soursop has been used as medicine for ages, passed down through generations in tropical regions, but where did it come from? This intriguing fruit has a rich history that dates back centuries. Imagine lush rainforests, vibrant cultures, and a unique fruit waiting to be discovered. The soursop, with its spiky green exterior and creamy, delicious interior, has been a staple in these regions for countless generations. Soursop comes from the Caribbean and Central America, where it thrives in the warm, humid climate. The fruit is not only a part of the diet, but also deeply embedded in the cultural practices of these regions. People there quickly saw its potential, using it for food and medicine. From refreshing beverages to healing teas, soursop has been a versatile ingredient in their daily lives. Imagine ancient healers making soursop tea and other remedies, sharing their knowledge over generations. These traditional practices highlight the deep connection between the people and their natural environment. It shows the power of nature and how people connect with plants. This bond is a testament to the wisdom of ancient cultures and their understanding of the natural world. But we live in a modern world with stress, pollution, and processed foods. Our fast-paced lifestyles often lead us away from the natural remedies that once kept us healthy. These things cause health problems like inflammation and weak immune systems. The rise of chronic diseases is a stark reminder of the need to return to nature for solutions. People want natural solutions to feel better, and that's where Soursop comes in. As more individuals seek holistic approaches to health, Soursop is gaining recognition for its potential benefits. It's a delicious fruit full of nutrients. The creamy texture and unique flavor make it a favorite among those who try it. Soursop isn't just a trendy fruit, it's a powerhouse of nutrition that has been cherished for its health benefits long before it became popular in modern health circles. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help your body. These nutrients work together to support overall health and well-being. It's like a team of nutrients, each one important for your well-being. From boosting the immune system to providing essential vitamins, Soursop is a valuable addition to any diet. As we look closer at the science, you'll see why people are so excited about this tropical fruit. Research continues to uncover the many ways Soursop can contribute to a healthier lifestyle, making it a true tropical superfood. Let's talk about why Soursop is so popular. It's not just the taste, though it is tasty. Soursop is full of antioxidants, which fight bad stuff in your body called free radicals. Free radicals can damage your cells, causing inflammation and increasing your risk of getting sick. Antioxidants are like tiny heroes protecting your body. Soursop has lots of vitamin C, which helps your immune system and keeps your skin healthy. It also has quercetin, another powerful antioxidant that can reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and maybe even fight cancer. Imagine, you eat Soursop and the antioxidants get to work, fighting inflammation and protecting your cells. It's like giving your body a shield. Studies show Soursop's antioxidants might be especially good for people with chronic inflammation like arthritis, heart disease, and some cancers. Now, I'm not saying Soursop cures everything, but the research is exciting. It suggests that eating this fruit could help your body heal and lower your risk of getting sick. Ready? Here are the top 10 health benefits of Soursop. This tropical fruit is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can significantly improve your health. Let's dive into why you should consider adding Soursop to your diet. Take notes. This fruit is amazing. From boosting your immune system to potentially fighting cancer, Soursop offers a wide range of benefits that you won't want to miss out on. First, it boosts your immune system. Soursop is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps your body fend off infections and diseases. Including Soursop in your diet can help you stay healthy, especially during flu season. Soursop also contains other essential nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and fiber, which contribute to overall well-being. Second, it can help with stress and anxiety. The natural compounds found in Soursop have been shown to have calming effects on the body. If you're feeling stressed or anxious, a serving of Soursop might be just what you need to relax. Third, it keeps you hydrated. Soursop has lots of water, which is important for your health. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels, supporting digestion, and keeping your skin looking its best. Fourth, it's good for your eyes. Soursop contains lutein, a type of carotenoid that is known to protect your eyes from age-related damage. Including Soursop in your diet can help maintain your vision as you age. This nutrient can help prevent conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Fifth, it can fight bacterial infections. Soursop has natural antibacterial properties that can help your body combat harmful bacteria. This makes it a great addition to your diet if you're looking to boost your immune system naturally. Sixth, it can help with high blood pressure. Soursop is rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure levels. Including Soursop in your diet can help keep your heart healthy and reduce the risk of hypertension. Seventh, it can help with constipation. The fiber in Soursop helps your digestion. A diet rich in fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing constipation. Eighth, it fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, but Soursop contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation in your body. These anti-inflammatory properties make it a great addition to your diet if you're dealing with conditions like arthritis or other inflammatory diseases. Ninth, It might help with diabetes. Studies show it can help control blood sugar. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for people with diabetes, and soursop might offer a natural way to help with this. 10th, it might even fight cancer. More research is needed, but some studies show it can stop cancer cells from growing. This potential benefit makes soursop a fruit worth considering for its possible role in cancer prevention. While it's not a cure, the potential cancer-fighting properties of soursop are promising and worth keeping an eye on. Let's recap what we've learned about soursop. We've gone from its tropical origins to its place in natural health. We've seen its antioxidants, its ability to fight inflammation, and how it can support your immune system and blood sugar levels. We even talked about the early research on its potential to fight cancer. We all know how important it is to take charge of our health and look for natural solutions. Soursop isn't just a fruit, it shows the healing power of nature. It reminds us that sometimes the best things for our health come from the earth. Using soursop or any natural remedy is a personal choice. Listen to your body, do your research, and make choices that are good for you. Thanks for watching. What do you think about soursop? Have you tried it? Tell me in the comments. If you love superfoods and want to learn more about natural health, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. Remember, taking care of your health is a journey. Every healthy choice you make helps you live your best life. So, explore natural remedies and see what you discover. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep learning. So, what are your thoughts on soursop? It's a really interesting fruit with lots of potential. We need more research, especially on people, but the early studies are exciting. Remember, I'm not saying to stop your medications and only use soursop. Always talk to your doctor before changing your diet or health routine. But if you're looking for a natural way to maybe improve your health, soursop might be worth trying. Just remember to eat it in moderation, like any other food.